Здравствуйте, дорогие гости, уважаемые преподаватели и наши студенты. Мы рады видеть вас на нашей научно-практической международной конференции.
Also, it will activate your passive vocabulary.
Which is popping up nowadays.
Can we? We can.
Mehrobdan Chuan romanini Tojikistonda Stalinobod paytda Dushanbe Stalinobod deyilgan. Stalinobodda Gajdumi Azmi deb nashr ettiradi.
Today I was invited to the conference here in Tashkent Transport University, and I'm really happy being here among everyone. It was really a nice experience. I really loved that it was really organized. All the presentations were into the point. I enjoyed most of them, which are in English, of course. And it was a very nice experience for me, even to make connections, to meet other people from other universities. I'm really happy with that, and I was really delighted by the students at the end of the event after they won in the Olympiad. And I would like to thank everyone for this event. Thank you so much.
Bugungi konferensiyamiz tilshunoslik sohasining zamonaviy yondashuvlariga bag'ishlangan bo'lib turib, bugungi konferensiyamizda 250 dan ortiq ishlar kelib tushgan, ilmiy ishlanmalar hamda bu ishlanmalarning ichida xorijiy maqolalar, xorijiy ishlanmalar ham bor. Bu bizga mana shu konferensiyamizning asosiy ishini, asosiy maqsadini ochishga juda katta yordam berdi. Hamda biz bu narsaga erishdik deb o'ylaymiz. Xorijlik mehmonlarimizdan qilingan ma'ruzalar hamda mamlakatimiz, ya'ni respublikamizning olimlari tomonidan qilingan ma'ruzalar mana shu konferensiyamizning qo'yilgan shu'balarini, qo'yilgan maqsadini, asosiy vazifalarini ochib berdi. Shu bilan birga bizni universitetimizdagi talabalarimizning bo'lgan mana shu sohaga qiziqishlarini ma'lum bir darajada yo'lga qo'ydi va ilmiy va amaliy jihatidan ularga ko'nikmalar hosil qilishdi deb o'ylayman.
Ajoyib maqsad qilgan, rejamizda ko'zlangan maqsadlarni ortiga erishishiga umid qilamiz. Endi bu maqsadlarni, berilgan fikrlarni albatta hayotga tatbiq etib, chet tillarini yanada rivojlantirib, transport sohasida istiqbolli loyihalarga safarbar qilishga umid qilamiz.
Дальше я покажу примеры на следующих языках.
Helps to integrate student performance.
Do I look good, for example? And if you're opening that book and starting reading there, you